Good morning students. Today we are going to learn the one words of the lesson evolution of humankind. Evolution of humankind. So fill in the blanks. The first one, early humans lived in the dash with other animals. So early humans la engama valranga in the caves. The caves with the other animals. So with the other animals, early human being also lived in the caves. Second one, early humans started dash animals for food. They also started hunted animals for food. The third one, the first wheel was made up of, do you have any guess? The first wheels was made up of with the tree trunk. Okay, Amma, the first wheel were made of tree trunk. The fourth one, early humans learned to use fire to keep off animals and so early humans on the fire use pannanga to keep away from the animals and also for cooking. So next one, microscopic organism. Sinna uyirinangal began to develop in the seas. Okay, Amma? And then the earth was a burning ball of fire. Yes, earth was a burning ball of fire. Just repeat this side. Early humans lived in the dash with other animals in the caves. Early humans started dash animals for food. They also started hunted animals for food. The first wheel were made up of tree trunk. Early humans learned to use fire to keep off animals and for cooking. Microscopic organism began to develop in the seas. The earth was a burning ball of fire. So next one, like humans, dash and dash evolved from a common ape-like ancestor. Ancestor means early man. Okay, so who are the gorillas? Like human beings, gorillas and chimpanzees. Chimpanzees evolved from a common ape-like ancestor. Ancestor na munnorgal. Okay, Amma? Next one, our human ancestors began walking erect. Erectness. They learned to stand straight, erect on 2 feet. Our human ancestors began walking erect on 2 feet. Erect means straight on 2 feet. Early human beings developed dash which helped them to communicate with each other. So early humans enna develop pannanga ungalukku which helped them to communicate. Communicate na ovvortharukku pesarukku help aachu. So enna develop pannanga language skill. What? Language skills. So earlier human begins to develop language skills which helped them to communicate with each other. The next one, various sources of evidence na aadharangal have been discovered to trace na edha kandupidikirukku the evolution, to trace the evolution, the steps of the படிப்படியா humans வந்து எப்படி வந்தாங்க அப்படிங்க ஸ்டெப்ஸை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு various sources of evidence வந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க. என்னெல்லாம் like fossil and archaeological sources. In the form of fossil and archaeological sources, they trace the evolution of human beings. So once again I repeat, like humans, gorillas and chimpanzees evolved from a common ape-like ancestor. Our human ancestors began walking erect on 2 feet. Early human beings developed language skills which helped them to communicate with each other. Various sources of evidence have been discovered to trace the evolution of human beings. So next we move on to true or false. First one, simple microscopic organisms began to develop in the mountains. Is that simple microorganism began to develop in the mountain ma? சின்ன சின்ன உயிரினங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட்டு மவுண்டெயின்ஸில் உருவாச்சு இல்லை, இட் இஸ் இன் த சீஸ். ஸோ திஸ் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ். ஓகேவா? சிம்பிள் மைக்ரோஸ்கோபிக் ஆர்கானிசம் பிகான் டு டெவலப் இன் த seas, not in the mountain. So this sentence is false. Second one, modern humans evolved through different stages from a series of bird-like ancestors. Is bird-like ancestors or apes-like ancestors? It is apes-like ancestors. So this sentence is also a false statement. False sentence. So modern humans evolved through different stages from a series of bird-like ancestors. Not the bird, it is like apes, like ancestors. So this is also a false statement. Third one, sources of evidence of evolution tell us where and how early humans lived and when certain innovation took place. So sources of evidence, na ஆதாரங்கள் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன சொல்லுது? Evolution tell us where and how, எங்கே எப்படி ஹியூமன் டெவலப் வந்து வாழ்ந்தாங்க, ஹியூமன்ஸ் வந்து வாழ்ந்தாங்க, அண்ட் வென் சர்டன் இனோவேஷன்ஸ்னால் புதுசாக எதாவது கண்டுபிடிச்சிருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா அது எப்போம்லாம் நடந்துச்சு அப்படிங்கிறது நம்மளுக்கு சொல்கிறது தான் எவல்யூஷன் ஆஃப் எவிடன்ஸ், சோர்சஸ் ஆஃப் எவிடன்ஸ். ஓகேவா? இஸ் திஸ் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இஸ் ட்ரூ? எஸ். ஸோ எப்படி நம்மளுக்கு சொல்லுவாங்க? த்ரூ ஃபாசில் ரிமைன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆர்கியாலஜிக்கல் சோர்சஸ் we can trace the evidence of the evolution of the human beings. So this statement is right. So the next one, preserved objects, paintings. So preserve பண்ணி வச்ச object, அந்த காலத்தில் preserve பண்ணி வச்ச objects, paintings, stone tools, utensils, footprints and archaeological remains are not the example of fossil. No, it is the example of fossil. So this is also a false statement. Okay, once again I just repeat, simple microscopic organisms began to develop in the mountains. No, it developed in the seas. So this sentence is a false. Second one, modern humans evolved through different stages from a series of bird-like ancestors. No, it's a ape-like ancestors. So this is also a false statement. Third one, sources of evidence of evolutions tell us where and how early humans lived and when certain innovations took place. Okay, so this is the true statement. Next one, preserved objects, paintings, stones, tools, utensils, footprints and archaeological remains are the example of the fossil. Yes, or the example are not the example of fossil. So it is. So false statement, it was the example of a fossil. So next one, choose the best answer. The first one, bones, teeth and skull are the example of vessels of fossils, cell or organs. It was an example of a human fossil. It was an example of a human fossil. So what was the example of a human fossil? Bones, teeth and skull. Human fossils. Second one, which of the following are early ancestors of human? So which of the following are the early ancestors of human? So which of the following are gorillas, monkeys, apes, chimpanzees? It is apes. Okay, Amma? Next one, what happens to animals that are unable to adapt? So nature order அடாப்ட் ஆகாத அனிமல்ஸ் வந்து என்ன ஆவாங்க? they turn into humans, they learn to hunt, they become extinct. None of this. What was the answer, ma? What happens to animals that are unable to adapt the natural resources? What happened to that animals? They become humans up, then they learn to hunt, they become extinct. None of this. So what was? They become extinct, அழிஞ்சிடும். ஓகேவா? நேச்சரோட அடாப்ட் ஆக முடியல அப்படின்னா அந்த அனிமல்ஸ் என்ன ஆகும்? அது வந்து அழிஞ்சிடும். எக்ஸ்டிங்க்னா அழியுது. ஸோ ஐ ஹோப் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் த சூஸ். ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின் ஐ ஜஸ்ட் ரிப்பீட், Bones, teeth and skulls are the example of fossil remains. Which was the following early human and early ancestor was apes. And what happened to animals that are unable to adapt? The animals become extinct. Okay, va? So next one. So next we are going to see who am I. First one, new ideas or new ways of doing something. New ideas or new ways of doing something is known as innovation. Is known as innovation. So new ideas or new ways of doing something is known as innovation. Okay, Mama? New ideas or new ways of doing something new is known as innovation. Second one, fact or information that shows something is true. So fact, என்ன ஃபேக்டோ அந்த இன்ஃபார்மேஷன் சொல்கிறது என்னது, அது வந்து அந்த சென்டென்ஸ் வந்து ட்ரூவாக இருக்கும். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் தட்? எவிடன்ஸ், ஆதாரங்கள். ஸோ ஃபேக்ட் ஆர் இன்ஃபார்மேஷன் தட் ஷோஸ் சம்திங் இஸ் ட்ரூ இஸ் known as evidence. Next one, marks or designs on objects. Marks or designs on object is known as impressions. Impressions. So marks or design on object is known as impression. It is extremely small. So which one is extremely small? It's microscopic. Microscopic. It is extremely small. சின்ன சின்ன உயிரினங்கள், microscopic organisms. So once again I repeat, new ideas or new ways of doing something is known as innovation. Something is known as innovation. Fact or information that shows something is true, that is known as evidence. Marks or design on object is known as impressions. It is extremely small. Which one? It is microscopic organism. Microscopic organism is look extremely small. Next we move on to define the following. So first one, fossil. So what was fossil? They are remains of living organism that got buried and preserved deep under the soil. So they are the remains of living organism. ஸோ அந்த காலத்தில் வாழ்ந்த மனுஷங்களோ என்னெல்லாம் எப்படிலாம் வாழ்ந்தாங்களோ அவங்களுக்குள்ள மிச்சங்கள் that remains அது buried ஆகி டீப் அண்டர் த சாயிலில் ப்ரிசர்வாக இருக்கும். அதுக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது? ஃபாசில். ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின் ஐ ரிப்பீட், தே ஆர் ரிமைன்ஸ் ஆஃப் லிவிங் ஆர்கானிசம் that got buried and preserved deep under the soil is known as fossil. So second one, apes. So what was apes? Large mammals without a tail. So large mammals without a tail including gorilla, chimpanzees. Okay, animals which was live on the land or give birth to the young ones is known as mammals. So it is apes is like a large mammals without a tail including gorilla and chimpanzees. Example of apes was gorilla and chimpanzees. So third one, archaeological source. What is archaeological sources? Archaeological sources. Archaeological sources is related to the scientific study of the materials remains of past human life and activity. So materials remains of the past human life of the past human life. Okay, va? Materials remains of past human beings and activity is known as archaeological sources. So once again I just repeat, what was meant by fossil? They are the remains of living organism that got buried and preserved deep under the soil. Second one, apes. It is like a large mammals without a tail including example gorilla and chimpanzees. What is known as archaeological source? It is related to the scientific study of the materials remains of past human life and activities. So these are the one words of lesson evolution of humankind. You just go through. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.